There is nothing more primal than cooking food over flame. Sorry, raw food movement, but I got history on my side. Sure, we turned cooking into an art, but the fundamentals of placing meat over heat are more or less built into our DNA now. Grilling should come naturally to everyone. But at DOESNT, temperature management is tricky, and timing crucial. Just ask anyone who's been served a piece of chicken that's charred on the outside and a pink salmonella playground in the middle. Professional cooks spend many hundreds of hours mastering the techniques required to produce large quantities of a wide array of food, all off of one grill, and do it with consistency. Chances are, you don't have that kind of expertise. And, even if you have spent a good amount of time behind the line, that's no guarantee the distractions of home life or your friends at a big barbecue party won't derail you. For would-be chefs with ambition beyond their time or talents, I present the Lynx SmartGrill. This is a pro-grade grill with an army of sensors connected to a built-in computer that, through the internet, lets you man the grill from the comfort of just about anywhere you want. Hell, if it had a robot arm, it could probably cook without you. But where's the fun in that? To be frank, I thought an internet-connected smart grill would suck the challenge and fun right out of my outdoor cooking adventures. But I was wrong. I quickly found out the purest side of me, which believes cooking over anything but natural hardwood is of the devil, loses 9 times out of 10 to the more practical, I got a hungry family to feed side of me, which can't deny the convenience of a great gas grill, let alone one that talks to me. I am an outdoor cooking purist, and the smart grill made a believer out of me. But it is not without its quirks and challenges, not the least of which is a $7 price tag. The Lynx SmartGrill is an appliance, so the degree to which you must involve yourself in the setup process will vary based on where you purchase it. The SmartGrill is available through a number of dealers and contractors who will probably offer some sort of installation or enhanced delivery service. If, however, you purchase directly from